Hey, remember that time you tried to convince a friend to upgrade their old Strat for something a little more jazzy, but you weren't sure if the price tag was worth the vibe? I get that hesitation, especially when you're eyeing a guitar that looks like a piece of art and wondering if it will actually fit into the gigs, jam sessions, and bedroom recordings you have in mind. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. The Gretsch Professional Falcon Hollowbody in black isn't just another pretty face in the boutique market. It's a hollowbody that leans into the classic Gretsch aesthetic with a maple top, but it also packs a Bigsby B6 vibrato that lets you add those subtle pitch shifts without a fuss. The real question is whether those features translate into everyday playability for you, or if you end up paying extra for style that sits on a shelf. Let's break it down by the scenarios most of us actually face. First, think about the kind of music you're playing. If your setlist includes jazz standards, surf rock riffs, or even some indie rock chords that benefit from a warm, resonant tone, the Falcon's hollow body really shines. The maple top adds a bright edge that cuts through a mix, while the two humbucking pickups keep the noise down when you crank the amp for a live venue. I've seen players describe the sound as big sounding without being muddy, which is exactly what a hollowbody should do when you're not trying to fill a stadium. Now, imagine you're a gigging musician who needs to swap guitars quickly between songs. The Bigsby is a nice touch, but it does require a little extra attention. On stage, if you're constantly moving the vibrato bar, you'll notice that the tailpiece can feel a bit looser than a fixed bridge. It's not a deal breaker, but it does mean you'll have to spend a minute or two getting the tension right before you start your set. For a player who wants a hassle-free, plug-and-play experience, that extra step might feel like a small inconvenience. One of the strengths that often gets overlooked is the Ebony Fingerboard. Most entry-level guitars stick with rosewood or maple, but Ebony gives you a smoother, faster feel under your fingers. If you do a lot of fast, intricate runs or need a stable surface for bends, you'll appreciate that slickness. In my own testing, the transition from chord strumming to lead lines felt natural, without the fingerboard gripping you the way some cheaper woods do. The maple neck also contributes to the overall stability. Hollow bodies can sometimes suffer from feedback when you're playing at high volumes, especially in smaller rooms. The Falcon's solid maple neck helps keep the instrument grounded, reducing that unwanted howl. However, the trade-off is a bit of weight. The combination of a hollow body, a thick maple top, and the Bigsby adds up, so the guitar sits a little heavier than a typical solid-body Les Paul. If you're used to lightweight thin-line guitars and plan to stand for long periods, you might feel the difference after an hour or so. Let's talk about who should really consider this model. If you're a player who values tone over raw aggression, the Falcon is a solid middle ground. It delivers that vintage Gretsch chime you hear on classic recordings, yet the humbuckers keep it modern enough for overdriven tones without screaming feedback. It's also a good fit for studio musicians who want a versatile instrument that can sit comfortably on a MIC stand and still sound full when recorded with a condenser MIC. The hollow body gives you natural ambience, which can be a huge plus when you're tracking a jazz trio or a laid-back indie track. On the flip side, if you're primarily a metalhead looking for razor-sharp attack, or if you need a guitar that can handle aggressive palm-muted riffs without any unwanted resonance, the Falcon might not be the best match. The hollow construction, while warm, can introduce a slight woody character that some high-gain players find distracting. Also, the Bigsby, while fun, isn't something you'll use in a thrash metal set, so you're essentially paying for a feature you won't exploit. Another practical consideration is the price point relative to other Gretsch models. The Professional Falcon sits in the mid-range of the brand, offering a decent level of craftsmanship without the premium price of the higher-end models. The 4-star rating from nearly 300 reviewers suggests that most owners feel they got good value, but it also hints at a few reservations, probably those related to the weight and vibrato setup we mentioned earlier. There's no surprise here. You're paying for a blend of aesthetic and tone that sits between a fully acoustic hollowbody and a solid-body workhorse. If you're the type who likes to tinker, you'll appreciate that the Bigsby can be swapped out for a fixed bridge if you ever decide you want more stability. The guitar's finish is a deep black that hides fingerprints reasonably well, but the glossy surface will still show smudges after a few gigs, so you might